Hey everybody, it's B. The last video was so boring. So today we're going to just have a splash, okay? We're going to shoot some jugs, jug heads, and some zombies. Targets. Here we go. Like I said, nobody ever said that our zombie targets had to be ugly, did they? We got some jug heads. Alien jug heads. Ooh. And what do we do when the aliens land? Shoot them and eat them. Pretty sure they'll taste like chicken. There's a zombie hanging there. Another alien relaxing down there. And we got a few more over here. Oh yeah, I'm not an artist. Yeah. Also, I rehung these targets here. They weren't doing too well before. I mean, 6-inch oranges. Alright, we're gonna start shooting here in a minute. Also want to introduce you to Ling Ling. Now, Ling Ling will never be around when there's gunfire because she doesn't like it. And she's a fantastic zombie finder. What happens is when there's a zombie around, notice right now she's looking around. When there's a zombie around, she just runs for the house because she knows the next thing that happens is gunfire. You're hard to photograph, kid. You're a girl, ain't you, huh? You my girl? Yeah. Yeah, you are. Okay. Hi everybody, it's B. In the further adventures of shooting this new Glock and breaking it in, I'm going to shoot a little Remington, hollow point, this UMC, nothing special, not a plus P round. I've got some TUL ammo here that I'm going to shoot. This is a 115 grain steel case made in Russia. I'm going to give it a whirl. And then this is just some RWS 124s loaded into 8 used 17 round mags that I want to make sure they're all okay. Okay, we're going to shoot some jugs and cans and try and make it a little more interesting than last time. Okay, we're going to start off with a couple jugs of shooting those Remingtons. Hollow points. should be the most interesting. I was wrong. Those were nice. That was fun. Now we're going to shoot that Tula ammo, 115 grains. Quit doing that. That was a quick $10. Now we're going to check these new mags. They should be fine. They're Glocks. I've only got a few rounds in each one. Whole thing moved there. Oh, tore that one down. Let me go grab some more ammo. Really does not take very long to go through 50 rounds of 9mm when you're having fun. I believe I've broken the wrap. 6 or 7 more rounds and we're done. There we go. Thank you guys. Shooting is fun. Be careful out there. Remember, keep your finger off the trigger.